Hey everyone, and welcome back to Shqipify. In today's lesson, you're going to learn 6 different ways to say because in Albanian. If you only know sepse, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll sound much more natural and fluent. So let's get into it. The first one, and the most common one, is sepse. Sepse is most commonly used and is the basic way to say because. For example, nuk erdha sepse isha I lodhur. I didn't come because I was tired. Nuk erdha sepse isha I lodhur. Po mësoj shqip sepse më pëlqen. I'm learning Albanian because I like it. Po mësoj shqip sepse më pëlqen. So if you're a beginner, this is your safe option. Now we move on to number 2, se. In spoken Albanian, people often drop sepse and just say se. It's shorter, more casual, and very common in conversation. So for example, we have nuk dola se po binte shi. I didn't go out because it was raining. Nuk dola se po binte shi. Or më pëlqen të luaj piano se më relakson. I like playing the piano because it relaxes me. Më pëlqen të luaj piano se më relakson. As I said, this is very natural in daily speech. Now we're going to move to some other ones that you might not have heard so much, but they are very commonly used. So number 3, we have ngacha. Ngacha. This means because or since, depending on the context, and it sounds slightly more formal, but not all the way. You'll hear it in both speech and writing. For example, u vonova nga që kishte trafik. I was late because there was traffic. U vonova nga që kishte trafik. Ai mungoi nga që ishte I sëmur. He was absent because he was sick. Ai mungoi nga që ishte I sëmur. So nga që feels a bit more structured than se. Number 4, për shkak të. Për shkak të literally means for the cause of. So it means due to or because of. It's followed by a noun, not a full sentence. Always followed by a noun. Because of this particular noun. For example, fluturimi u anulua për shkak të motit. The flight was cancelled because of the weather. Fluturimi u anulua për shkak të motit. Or ajo u largua për shkak të një problemi. She left because of a problem. Ajo u largua për shkak të një problemi. So për shkak të is very useful for more formal situations. In number 5, we have meqë. Meqë. This one means since or given that. It's often used when something is already known or obvious. For example, me që je këtu, hajde të fillojmë. Since you're here, let's start. Me që je këtu, hajde të fillojmë. Or me që nuk kam kohë, do flasim nesër. Since I don't have time, we'll talk tomorrow. Me që nuk kam kohë, do flasim nesër. It sounds smooth and confident. And number 6, we have duke qenë se. Duke qenë se. This one is more formal and used mostly in writing or formal speech. It means given that or literally being that. For example, duke qenë se situata është e vështirë, duhet të presim. Given that the situation is difficult, we must wait. Duke qenë se situata është e vështirë, duhet të presim. Duke qenë se ai nuk erdhi, filluam pa të. Given that he didn't come, we started without him. Duke qenë se ai nuk erdhi, filluam pa të. You probably won't use this every day, but it's great to recognize it. So let's quickly recap. Sepse is the standard because. Se is casual spoken version of sepse. Nga që is a slightly more formal way of saying because. Për shkak të, literally for the cause of or because of, and it is always followed by a noun. Me që means since or given that, and duke qenë se is the formal way of saying given that. Now you officially know 6 different ways to say because in Albanian. Try writing a sentence in the comments using one of them. I would love to see it. And if you want more practical Albanian grammar lessons like this, make sure you subscribe. Faleminderit dhe shihemi në videon tjetër.